Creating and tracking jobs with Job Tracker Professional is quick and easy. Step 1. Record where you are doing the work and who for. If you've worked there before, selecting the data is simple and even shows the bill pairs details too. Step 2. Record what work needs to be done. Text fields and drop-down menus help make this process simple. Step 3. Record when the work will start. Step 4. Record who will be completing the work. If using Job Tracker Mobile, the engineers access the details directly via their mobile device. Alternatively, you can easily create and email job sheets, or even send details via SMS. Step 5. It's quick and easy to add parts and costs, ready for you to create and email invoices at the click of a button. Integration with Sage Line 50 or 0 is available too.